influence.
Magnetic induction sensors identify metallic debris, while acoustic sensors detect non-potato solids.
This is the critical step of Process A, centrifugation. The chips enter the specialized oil removal.
The continuous stream of uniform, light golden chips flows into the massive, gently rotating.
The chips exit the tumbler, perfectly seasoned. At the quality checkpoint, workers confirm the flavor profile meets the strict standard.
In this fully automated packing zone, the robotic arms systematically load the crisp bags into boxes with speed.
The pH and temperature are stable. We are ready for the next stage.
Confirmed. Initiating the separation sequence.
The milky white liquid is pumped through a series of vibrating mesh screen items, which mechanic rotates.
As the pre-filtered liquor enters the massive centrifuges, intense rotational force separates the material.
As the powder is gently fluidized, residual moisture is carefully extracted using low-pressure heat.
The camera focuses on the powder's perfect, free-flowing consistency, confirming the success of the drying and milling stages of Process B.
The system confirms the moisture content is below 12% and purity exceeds 99.5%, authorizing the batch release for packaging.
The automated system uses a precise auger to rapidly inject the powder with a specialized vibration,
This final packaging step ensures the product consistency and integrity of the potatoes powder.
As the material flows around the mixing blades, the increased density and smooth consistency are clear.
Utilizing process B, the robotic feeder precisely doses the potato starch.
The massive scale of this global logistics operation confirms the worldwide demand for industrial potato starch powder.
The labeling appears to be fully compliant with the regulations.
Yes, we've double-checked all certifications here.
Seal number 42 confirmed on the manifest.
From baked goods to pharmaceuticals and industrial packaging, PBP confirms broad market application.
The efficient movement you see here is enabled by potato starch powder, the industrial stabilizer ensuring reliable.